That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, my name is Denise. If you are new here, we are in my kitchen and I am just giving you guys a brief overlook of everything that is not nailed down because I am going to be removing things so that we can prepare to mop. And I'm sure that everyone knows mopping 101. First, you must sweep the floors. Y'all, this video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored by O-Cedar Mop, but I just had to get one because I've been eyeballing it for a while now. And this is how it came packaged. You have your mop handle, the bucket, and the mop head. And I honestly was going to use both of these products, but the instructions say please do not use bleach, but I really love bleach. I put bleach in everything, so I'm just going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Concentrate in the Scent Basil. And here's another alternative for you, Pine Sol, and that is in the scent Spring Meadow. I love the scent. And here I just have my water boiling. I truly believe this is the only way you should be mopping, with some hot water. That's just my personal opinion. And this is approximately a half of a cup of this all-purpose cleaner. And I am adding this pot of water, and I'm going to be noticing that it did not fill the max line, so I'm going to add the additional pot of water. If you guys only knew the party that was going on in my nostrils right now, it smells so good. It makes me want to mop every day, which y'all know that's not going to be happening, but we can dream. I do recommend, if you have tiled floors or hardwood floors in your kitchen, please go over the floors with a cool water rinse. So the floor is completely dry, and I have put back everything that I once removed. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will respond, and I'll see you on my next one. But first, I'm going to light me a candle so I can continue the party that is happening in my nose. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!